I want to explain you the usability of the online kitchen fair Kuechenherbst.online. First of all, we go to the login. Take your username, take your password, and that's it. If you don't have your own username, click here for register. You need 1 minute. You get an email, you confirm this email, and then you have your own data. Let's go for login, click, and we are inside. We see the map of East Westphalia with all the companies who are part of Kuechenherbst Online. The companies on her own home point and the 7 different exhibition centers of Kuechenherbst Online. It's very easy for you to visit a company. Take the mouse, click to the company, and you are inside. And now you are at the presentation of this company. Inside you can see, for example, videos, product galleries, picture galleries, news, models, new doors, and many informations. Let's go back together. You have, for example, this function, search and filter. With this button you can looking for the different exhibition centers and visit them. You can take the name of one company where you're looking for, and if you want you can look for product groups, for example software IT, click search, and now you get a list of all software companies. Click your mouse and you are inside, and you also can see the exhibitor list, the alphabetic list of the 198 companies of Kuechenherbst Online. It's also very easy. Take the mouse, click, and now you are inside. That's it. I want to visit with you from the map the area 30 with a mouse click. I see here at the first the floor plan of area 30, and if you want to visit one company it's the same idea. Take the mouse, click, and you are inside. For you as a visitor, you have many buttons for connect the exhibitor. Button 1 is leave your vCard. You send your own business card, your login data, your name and your company name. The second idea is write an email to the company. Take your text, click for send, and that's it. If you want, you can arrange a video call with this company for now or for a special day at a special hour. The very easy part to connect you with the exhibitor is take the chat. Write your text, click, and that's it. Especially for you, you have this button note. Here you can write your private notices of this company, your special notices. You can also take a picture inside. The result of all your notices, you see it here at the button My Fair. This is your specially private visit protocol of your visit. If you use Kuechenherbst Online at different times, every day, every morning, every evening, you see ever your complete visit protocols of all your visits. Only you can see it, nobody else. One part of Kuechenherbst Online are the live streams. Every day at different times we send live streams from exhibitors with very interested informations. So, thank you. We look forward to see you at Kuechenherbst Online starting at Saturday 19th September, from there on 24 hours and many weeks. Thank you for looking my video. See you.